a great experience here. The staff's very nice. It was very limited. I mean, I think I was right out of surgery about like 3 weeks whenever I first started. It was some sort of labrum tear, and then I know they put like something with my capsule. They put like anchors or something in. So that was the surgery I had, and it was a little discouraging at first by how limited I was. Rehab was pretty not tough, but it took some time. But they definitely worked with me. I did some homework, some stretches, and I feel great now, better than ever. And I really wanted to just get back in the weight room more than anything, just to stay active and stuff. But also I want to be able to like play inter-hall sports, and like especially inter-hall baseball. That's the sport I love the most. So I think I'm ready, full speed, to get back to both